The gaming desktop tree planting drone 1000. Use it to play all the latest and greatest PC games with these stats. Lightning fast processor, 9th generation Intel Core i7-9700K processor, 8 core, liquid cooling, 3.60 GHz. Hyper-realistic graphics, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 Ti, 11GB GDDR6 dedicated memory. Enjoy new levels of gaming realism, speed, power efficiency and immersion with real-time ray tracing technologies. Hard drive and memory, 2TB 7200 RPM SATA hard drive and HyperX 16GB, DDR4-2666 SDRAM, upgradable to 32GB. In addition to this, the cooling fans also double as propellers enabling physical flight. The case is about twice as large as the average gaming desktop because there is a compartment that houses 20 million autonomous robot micro-spiders, each with a tree seed for planting inside them. There is a large button on the front of the gaming desktop tree planting drone 1000 that says, "Plant 20 million trees." Once this button is pressed, make sure the door is open because the gaming desktop tree planting drone 1000 will automatically take flight and fly out of your door or doors until it is outside. Once outside, it will automatically find locations in the wilderness with perfect planting soil and areas. It will then drop the micro-spiders onto the soil and the micro-spiders will plant the seed in the right place. Once 20 million trees are planted, it will return to your home and you can continue your gaming. Stay tuned for the desktop tree planting drone 2000 that will have significant upgrades. The new revolutionary solar-powered technology will allow the desktop tree planting drone 2000 and micro-spiders to continue forever without recharging, continuing to plant trees indefinitely. Once the micro-spiders plant a seed, they will automatically search and rescue a natural tree seed that fell on a bad area to plant and will take that seed to a good area. If a good area is not nearby, the desktop tree planting drone 2000 will use its new single-frequency gravity tractor beam to beam the micro-spiders back up and take them to a new place that is suitable for planting. Whenever the owner wants to game again, the desktop tree planting drone 2000 will have a remote control with a button that says, "Return home," that the owner can press to call the desktop tree planting drone 2000 back.